Hi guys, I just read book and the book name is how to make profit in intraday guys, day trading, and his name is Mandar uh, Jamshan Dekar. It's hard to pronounce, and this book tells all about how to control our emotions mostly guys, and he just implemented a simple trading plan is about breakouts, three breakouts guys. One is flag, one is in range bound, and one is in trend changing, means somewhat reversal like that. You can see in W chart, like you can see many of reversal guys, which such double bottom and double top like that guys. And he had discussed all these things here, but about your mindset guys, mostly you just consider only about a breakout trade, only trade in breakouts. That's called invitation. Okay, after with a good volume, he said guys, I think so this is the best book I had read now, and uh, there's lots to have a review on these guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do like, subscribe my channel. This is Sheikh Mohammed signing off. Bye bye.